So here's the EMAP extension that I just made. So that's the SAI secondary air injection flange that I welded on a little female stainless 1/8 NPT, and then that 90 to 1/4 inch compression fitting with some copper tubing with some fiberglass insulation on it. Another 90 compression to 1/8 inch NPT here, and then to this contraption that I welded up out of aluminum. It's got a sump at the bottom to allow a moisture buildup, which I can pull this off and drain, however often I need to. And then up here there's a hex with another 1/8 inch NPT for the pressure sensor. And then this is a 100 psi 0 to 5 volt sender. And so if I just pick this coolant line up, so you can see that guy fits back in there, and this guy just plugs right down in this hole, and there we go. So this guy just mounts here in that hole, and then you can see there, that's where the secondary air injection port is, and so line that guy up, put the gasket on, a couple bolts, and it should be connected. The last thing I got to do is somewhere here extend the wires. So I've got that guy, which used to plug directly into the connector, or directly into the sensor mount when it was mounted back in here, and so now I just have to extend him a little bit to get him to plug in to there. Not much of an extension, but nonetheless a little guy. So that's the revision to help keep the EMAP sensor from seeing quite as much heat. I could see that the voltage was definitely skewing as the engine would get hot, so assigned to me that the sensor needed to move a little further away from the exhaust and just the heat from the engine. So we'll give that a try.